We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for abducted children from Franklin County, Ohio. The children were last seen at 1044 Olmsted Avenue, Columbus, Ohio. The suspect is unknown. The abducted children are Michael Simon, a 9-year-old black male, brown eyes, black short hair, approximately 4 feet tall, weighing 60 pounds, last seen wearing a white t-shirt and dark shorts. And King Wilder, a 3-year-old black male, brown eyes, black hair, approximately 3 feet tall, and weighing approximately 35 pounds. No clothing description. Possibly with LaShonda Dolores Wilder, a 32-year-old black female, 5'7", 220 pounds, last seen wearing a red head covering, black t-shirt, black pants, and red slippers. Please call 614-645-2228 or dial 911 immediately if you see the children or the mother. This concludes the emergency alert system message.